Babes, alles Gute zum Geburtstag und ich wünsche dir viel Glück und Gesundheit natürlich und ich liebe dich. Sana more birthday to comes. I love you.
Alles Gute, Tante.
Wie schon gesagt, alles Gute zum Geburtstag und viel Spaß noch im weiteren Leben. Ja, genieße das Leben vor allem.
Binabati ko ng maligayang kaarawan ng aking hipag. Ambo, masaya yung birthday ng ate mo. Bayin, binabati ko kayo ng sana okay kayo dyan. At saka si Bayaw Nuno, si Labet, tsaka yung mga hipag ko dyan. Masaya kami rito, sabihin na masaya.
Hello, Tess. Happy birthday and God bless you and have you more birthday to come. Als Schwager wünsche ich dir alles Liebe und ich hoffe, ihr kriegt viele Kinder. Danke, Papa. Happy birthday.
Hello, Tess. Happy birthday na lang. Wish you good luck and sana maging masaya ka at mabigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay, maraming taon. Yun lang. Happy birthday ulit.
Tess, happy birthday. May you have more birthdays to come. From your Ninang, love you.
Happy birthday, Marintes. Happy 40th birthday. Sana yung birthday mo ngayon ay ginisin mo hanggang sa tumanda tayo. Abutin natin ang hanggang 80. Happy birthday, Rose.
Tess, happy birthday uli. Nawa patuloy na dumating sa inyo ang blessings ni Lord. Kasama ng mga anak ninyo, lumaki sila ng mababait sa piling nyo, tsaka manatili sa inyo ang kapayapaan sa inyong tahanan, ha? Tsaka good luck, happy birthday uli.
Ako naman, happy naughty 18th birthday mo, ha? Talaga namang feel namin eh. Pero tawag dito, si Jeff medyo tolero. Kaya wag mo masyadong painumin para makapagsayaw tayo lahat, okay? Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday!
Hi, Tess. Happy birthday. Sana marami pang birthday ang dumating sa iyo.
Happy birthday, Tess!
Hello, Tess. I'm wishing you a very 40th birthday and I hope you will have more birthdays to come. Sana maging gluklik ka sa love life mo. Sana makarating ka pa ng 50 or 60. Then we will celebrate it again. Hello, bye-bye.
Tess, I wish you everything that leads to happiness in your life. After all, we only live once, yeah? I wish you all the things. Okay, thank you.
Tess, more birthday to come. You're simply the best. Happy birthday.
Mars, happy birthday. Mars, happy birthday, ha?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, I wish you a happy birthday to you. And God bless you.
Hello, Tess. Happy 40th anniversary. Sana ay dumating pa sa iyo ang maraming birthday. Happy birthday ulit.
Hello, Tess, happy birthday. Sana bigyan ka pa ng maraming birthday. At sana kukumbitahin mo uli ako sa birthday mo, ha? Okay, happy birthday uli. I love you.
Tess, happy birthday.
Binabati namin si Tess. Happy birthday.
Hi, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Alles Gute.
Alles Gute und Liebe zum Geburtstag.
Hallo, Tess, happy birthday!
Happy Birthday und alles Gute!
Liebe Tess, herzlichen Glückwunsch und alles Gute.
Happy birthday! Napakasayang birthday itong gawin itong araw na to. Hindi makakalimutan itong birthday to. Sana marami pang mangyari at maulit ng muli.
Happy birthday!